The following show is for adults only and contains bad language that may offend some people. Oh! Oh, my groin! Oh! Ah. Everybody chill the fuck out! I got this!
All black everything, black cards, all black all black everything, all black everything, black cards, black cards, all black everything.
I like to say I'm like the New Zealand hip hop Rich McCall. Cause I'm like the captain when we on tour.
All black everything,
Never drop the ball.
all black everything,
Yeah, this is dedicated to our team.
black cards, black
Yeah, all black everything.
all black.
Yeah, you know I'm all black everything. Married to the game, all black wedding ring. Always repping for my all black team since I was a little boy and had all black dreams. Now I'm grown and got the skills you never seen. I am the moves, I'm making hits for my team is what I do. Hey, so tell me what you gonna do. What you gonna do when I'm out and on you? You know my skills, Sonny Bill, always. Hey, you know my skills, Sonny Bill, always. Hey, you know the skills, Sonny Bill, always. Hey, I'm Corey Trainer, run the track all day. Hey, and you don't even have to say that I killed it. Just let them know that I am back, Zach Gilford. That's why you gotta run harder and plan smarter. Cause it's my turn to kick it, Dan Carter. All black, everything, all black, everything,
all black everything, black cards,
we all black, everything, all black,
all black everything,
Yeah.
black cards,
we all black, everything, all black,
all black everything, black cards,
all black, everything.
all black everything,
Yeah.
all black everything, black cards, all black everything, all black.
Second phase, center stage, watch the S flow. All blacks, y'all know who the best, bro. All black, everything is the dress code. I'm going hard, I'm in my all black test mode. And when I hit it, there's only one way that I know. I'm spitting every line, hard your own kind, no.
Everybody chill the fuck out! I got this!
When I start, I get my cover, I'm ready. I've been waiting like Isaiah Toyava, so I wouldn't even bother, cause my team destined to win it.